Hi everybody, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. Thursdays is always a drought update day. That's right, we have the latest information. Worst drought across the United States is in the state of Texas, down in hill country, anywhere from Austin, then farther south and southwest down around San Antonio, west to Del Rio, and then you continue farther west over to the Big Bend area, and then up toward El Paso. That's this burgundy colors, exceptional drought, that does extend across this portion of Texas, then into the southwestern corner of New Mexico and that far southeastern corner of Arizona. And in addition to that, we have extreme drought. That's the red between San Antonio and Del Rio, and then up toward Santa Fe, El Paso, Albuquerque, and then on over toward Phoenix and Tucson. So some really bad drought conditions across the southern portion of Texas, across South Texas, and then areas west of there. Up here in North Texas, we're doing okay. A little bit of a surplus with our rainfall since the first of the year, and conditions, no drought conditions here at this point. Certainly drought conditions will return as we dry out, as we head into the summer, head deeper into the summer, now just at the start of it. From a lake level perspective, all the lakes, the vast majority of the lakes are all looking fine. Lake Worth and Lake Ray Hubbard right now are evens. Cedar Creek's a half a foot above normal. Lavon's about 4.5 feet above. Joe Pool, Arlington 2 and 1 plus. Grapevine 7 feet above. Louisville's 2 feet above. Ray Roberts 3 above. Bridgeport's a half a foot above. Eagle Mountain is a foot above, and Benbrook is 2 above. Off to the northeast, anywhere from Texoma to Pat Mays to Bodark, Cooper, Cypress Springs, Lake Fork, Tawakoni, all anywhere from a half a foot to 2 feet. Pat Mays is 2 feet above. To the southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, everything looking great here. Palestine right now, 1.5 feet above. Jacksonville, a half above. Athens and Richland Chambers, a foot above. Cedar Creek's a half. Look at Waxahachie, 17 feet above normal right now. Bardwell's 3.5, and Navarro Mills is 5.5. Now things aren't perfect to the southwest of Fort Worth or west of Fort Worth. Granbury's a half below normal. Everywhere else is even, like Whitney and Leon. Brownwood, Proctor, and Aquila right now are anywhere from, I think this is pronounced, honestly, I don't know how this is pronounced. Aquila, possibly. Aquila. Let's go with one of the three pronunciations. I'll have to look that up. 3 feet above right now. Proctor is a 1.5 feet and Brownwood's a half a foot above. To the north, Arrowhead right now is a foot below. Possum Kingdom is a foot below. Hubbard Creek, I mentioned this on the news earlier tonight. I've been here 20 years. I've never seen Hubbard Creek in anything but a deficit. And right now, Hubbard Creek is 12. I'm sure at some point it's certainly been in a surplus, but Hubbard Creek is 12.5 feet below right now. Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Palo Pinto, all a half a foot above. Lake Graham's a foot above, and Amon G. Carter is 4.5 feet above normal. So there's your lake levels, and those are the latest lake levels right now. High today was 94, the morning low was 76, 92 and 73 of the normals. We've been as hot as 103 on this date back in that brutal summer of 1980, and as low as 56 back in 1912. Let me step out of the way for a moment. 90 degrees outside right now. South-southeast winds at 11. Dew point temperature still at 8:33 at night. The dew point temperature 70 degrees. That means we have a heat index of 95. Humidity's at 52%. The pollen today, oak and grasses are both moderate. Fungus today, that's on the low side. Now we have our typical summertime pattern in place. Big heat domes will be on top of us as we head through the weekend. And as it settles on top of North Texas, we'll have highs. Today we're at 94 degrees. That's just 2 degrees warmer than normal. But as this big ridge of high pressure builds in, it'll just keep the heat and humidity in place, and it just really lowers the rain chances down to 0 as we head through the days ahead. Right now we've had a little bit just north of Houston around College Station, just right here on the Texas-Louisiana border, out around Alpine. We had a little bit of rain. That's all starting to fizzle out right now. As we head through tonight, watch this. All quiet other than a few passing clouds across the area. I don't have any rain in my forecast, maybe a couple of clouds around tomorrow morning, then tomorrow afternoon. I have lots of sunshine in my forecast and just another hot day. Highs tomorrow, Dallas 96, 94 in Fort Worth, the same thing in Denton, 95 in Gainesville, 92 in Terrell, 92 in Waxahachie, and almost everyone will have triple-digit heat index values. Dallas, it'll feel like 103 tomorrow. Fort Worth will feel like 101. There's a 101 in McKinney, 102 in Sherman, 101 in Decatur and in Mineral Wells. Athens, Canton both hit 101 with the heat index. In Corsicana, your high tomorrow 102. High temps for the next 5 days through Tuesday of next week. We fluctuate anywhere from 95 to 96, and look at these heat index values, anywhere from 101 to 102. Hot temps continue to stick around. Tonight, dry, warm, muggy, light winds, 78's the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, mostly sunny, a hot and humid day. Heat index of 102 and a forecast high of 96. And there you go, 95, 96 as we head through Wednesday of next week. Thursday, maybe a stray thunderstorm, a high temperature of 94 degrees. There's just a 10% chance of some rain. And by the way, that little symbol you see there on Friday, tomorrow evening, 9:41, that's the summer solstice, so summer begins Friday night. The first full day of summer, of course, Saturday, and it'll feel like summertime in Texas on Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid-90s. The final 7 of the 14 days, we keep the hot temperatures around as we head through really the early part of Monday, June 30th, so that early part of that week, the hot temps are going to stay with us. And then a little bit of a cool down, not much of one, on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I should say July 1, 2, and 3. High temperatures go from the middle 90s into the lower 90s. Keep it right here on WFAA Plus for the latest.